Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can disable the notification center on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So when you open the app, here we need to go to the me option or our profile option on the bottom right corner. Just tap on the bottom right corner. So when we tap on it, here we can see the notification setting option. In the right side of the manage marketplaces, we can see the notification setting. Just tap on the notification setting option, and here we can see the notification center option. Just tap on it. So here we can see the all stores option. Just tap on it. So by doing that, we can disable this. So this is how we're gonna disable the notification center on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.